We're going to explain petroleum. Petroleum is a black liquid that forms underground between the layers of some sedimentary rocks. It is used to make fuel oil, diesel fuel and petrol. Fuel oil is also used to generate electricity in oil-burning power plants.
We are going to talk about natural gas. Natural gas is a mixture of gases that forms naturally underground.
It is used as a fuel in many industries to generate electricity in gas-burning power plants.
Many also use natural gas to heat water and cook food. We are going to talk about coal. Coal is a black rock that is mostly made of carbon. Coal is used as a fuel in some types of industry. It's also used to generate electricity in coal-burning power plants. Coal is an important resource that is used to create heat, electricity and energy. Coal is underground. Coal is limited.
Uranium is a radioactivity material that is used in nuclear power plants. Uranium is used to produce heat in nuclear reactions. It causes pollution.
After that, the heat is used to generate electricity. It's not expensive to make.
It's a non-renewable source of energy because it's limited. We are going to talk about wind energy. We get wind energy from the movement of air.
The kinetic energy of the wind moves the turbines.
Then a generator uses that energy to generate electricity.
The wind energy is renewable because it's unlimited.
In the Iberian Peninsula, we have windmill sites many years ago. They were used to bring flour.
Spain is the fourth country in production of wind energy. Wind power is a useful form of energy. We use turbines to produce electrical power.
Large wind farms have hundreds of individual wind turbines. Wind is a cheaper source of electricity. Advantages: it's renewable and clean. The kinetic energy moves the turbines. Then a generator generates electricity.
We get clean biofuels from plants and animals products.
Then we burn these fuels for energy.
Biofuels can be solid, biomass, liquids, bioliquids, or gases, biogenic.
Biofuels are unlimited because they replace naturally.
We are going to talk about hydraulic energy.
We get hydraulic energy from water that is moving or falling.
The kinetic energy from the water moves large turbines. They use that energy to generate electricity.
Advantages: it's easy to store the water.
Disadvantages: hydraulic plants are expensive.
Hydraulic energy is produced by water, so that it has potential energy. It falls to a lower level. This energy changes into kinetic energy and then into electrical energy in the hydroelectric plant. Disadvantages: hydraulic plants are expensive to build, impact the environment, impact on plant life, and cause problems for animals. Advantages: it's a renewable source of energy.
We are going to talk about solar energy.
We get solar energy from the sun in the form of light and heat.
A solar panel is a piece of equipment on a roof that uses light and heat energy from the sun to produce hot water and electricity.
The solar energy is a renewable source of energy
It's unlimited because it's replacing naturally.
We can use this energy to heat things and generate electricity.